Okay, you're going to learn a pretty easy topic today. It's finding the sum of each pair of vectors. So all you have to do is, if you look here, there is vector 1 is going this direction and vector 2 is going this direction. But when I look for the sum, I'm looking for this actual ending spot. So all you're going to have to do is see how far it moves this direction and how far it moves this direction, and then solve for it. Which basically just makes it like a triangle. So it moves 1, 2, 3 this direction. So x is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 that direction. And then when I want to figure out this side, it works just like as if this was a triangle. And I'm going to say this would be my right angle. 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to that magnitude of the vector, because it's Pythagorean theorem, because there's a right triangle right there. So 9 plus 16 is equal to vector squared. That magnitude is equal to 25, which means that my answer is going to be 5. I got 3 examples for you, so let's go ahead and go to the second one. Find the sum of each pair of vectors. Once again, this one moves this way and this one moves this way, but I just want to know where they end up in the end. So I take this direction and I take this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the x direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the y direction. I'm going to figure out if I went straight what I would have done. And we square root both sides. There's going to be 7 point something. I'm just going to say it's about 7 for right now. It's going to be 49 and 1. That's number 2. Once again, all I have to do is recognize that I'm looking for this distance and then use the Pythagorean theorem. So one more example for you. Find the sum of the pairs of vectors, the magnitude as the result of the vectors. So when they ask me for the magnitude, I'm looking for this right here. I know that I look for the distance I went this way and the distance I went that way. 1, 2, 3. Y is 3. Square root both sides, and this time we're going to get 4 point something. Okay, so you've got about 10 of these to try in class. And then you also have a matrix review worksheet. Both of these are due at the end of class to the sub, so make sure you get them turned in. I also expect the notes portion to be filled out to receive full credit.